How to make him miss you like crazy. Why do we miss someone? Why do we feel the emptiness when we are not with that particular person? Maybe because we are not destined to be alone. We are created to be with a companion. When it comes to romantic love, missing each other is one key to a long-lasting relationship. The longing and passion that you feel inside make you want for more. Naturally, we like to spend our time with people who we love and make us happy. The more we do these things, the more we are addicted to them being at our side. So, when we are apart, our body craves that feeling. So let's get into it. How do you make him miss you like crazy? 1. Stop all communication. I know it's hard not to reach out to that person if you miss him. Of course, you'll want to be in constant communication with him. But if you really want him to miss you, then give him time to miss you. He can't miss you if you keep communicating with him, right? Give him a reason to miss you. Stop calling and texting him. If you continue reaching out, he will never have the reason to miss you. 2. The waiting game. If a woman is interested in a guy, she responds immediately to a call or text coming from him. But, responding to him right away will give him hints that you are always available for him at his convenience. Men love the chase, so do not get caught easily. Make him wait as long as needed, but not long enough that will make him lose interest. This may be silly, but it always works. It makes him crave for you more. 3. Be the first to end the conversation. After making him wait, he will eventually contact you if he really likes you. Always be the one to hang up the phone and let him be the one to send that last text. The key is to keep him wanting more of you. Because you ended the conversation, it will make him contact you first because he feels the need to continue your conversation. 4. Find a scent that will remind him of you. Have you experienced smelling a certain smell and a person or place pops on your mind? This is because our sense of smell is attached to our memory. So, if you want him to miss you, wear that same perfume every time you see him. Each time that certain smell hits his nose, you're the one he will be thinking of. You can also try to spray your perfume on his things, so even if you are not together, he will still smell you. 5. Add a little bit of mystery and surprise. Your guy loves a little bit of mystery. You do not need to tell everything about you in just one sitting. Men tend to lose interest if they already know everything about you. They think they already conquered you and you do not excite them anymore. Remember, men love the chase and challenge. Also, it won't hurt if you surprise your man sometimes. Instead of a traditional dinner or movie date, why not go hiking and go for an adventure? If he's happy with your company, he will miss that and will always find ways to be with you again. 6. Be independent. Your man is not going to miss you if you are constantly available to him. Give him space and create your own space too. There's no need to be always together. If he is really into you, you do not need to worry about him enjoying the free time. Guys really like it when you are not so clingy. Enjoy your own thing and let him miss you. 7. Leave things behind. Have you ever found a thing that belongs to your special someone and memories rush back? Make a point of leaving small things like your hair clip or earrings at your guy's house or car. So every time your guy sees it, he will remember you. 8. Leave him craving for more. It's like our favorite food. When we get a taste of something delicious, we want to taste it again. But here is the catch: if you always get that taste, even how delicious it is, you will lose interest. Men want what they can't have. So give him a taste, but do not give it all. Make it challenging for him. In this way, he will appreciate you more. 9. Look your best when you see him. It's not breaking news that men are visual creatures. You can capitalize on this by always putting in extra effort when you know you're going to see him. Depending on how well you know what he likes, you can even cater to his particular quirks. For example, some guys go crazy for red lipstick and a ponytail. Others like loose hair and a natural look. If you happen to know his preferences, there's nothing wrong with playing to them. If he knows that you know and that you're doing this on purpose, this has an added element of flirtation. Just like you would be turned off if a guy wore 2-day-old sweats and inadequate deodorant when you were around, downplaying your appearance sends a message. When you put in zero effort to look nice, he might take this as a sign you're not into him. 10. Do little things for him. It's easier to do charming gestures for a guy when you're actively in a relationship with him. Making him coffee before he wakes up for work, or secretly sliding a note in his lunch are endearing acts of kindness. Once you know a man well, it's not as challenging to think up these moves. You know what he would find most adorable and you can use that to your advantage. You can still work this angle when you're getting to know someone. If you go out for coffee, make a mental note of what he orders. The next time you're going to see him, surprise him with his favorite drink. This doesn't take much effort but will strike a chord with him. It could also make you pop into his mind whenever he orders that drink. Getting a guy to obsess over you can be as easy as sending him the right text messages. But what are the right text messages? And which ones will have the opposite effect? When it comes to texting, there are certain things that instantly trigger a man's curiosity, interest, and desire. And there are also texts that are a total turnoff and guarantee you'll never hear back. Today I'm going to give you the inside scoop on both. Click on the link below, in the description section, to get your free guide. I'll show you my secret text messages you can send to any man, and make him forget about every other woman and focus all of his attention, love, and desire on you and only you. Please subscribe to this channel. Share this video with others, and download your free guide today. Please let us know your opinions in the comments section below.